Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. Exactly. We JJ and we back here. That's all this video is about. Just letting y'all know that we're going back to JJ's Cars and Advice. Yeah, the rebranding. I was thinking about trying to combine my channels and do all that stuff in one, but that doesn't work for the YouTube thing. So this is about just car buying, car and advice. You know, just car buying, car and advice. No point in adding the game and stuff with it. That's what they got Twitch for. So I'll be grinding my Twitch. So I'll work on grinding that, and then whenever I'm live, I mean, if anybody that watching me actually watch Twitch or watch Twitch streamers and stuff like that, then I'm gonna get that going on. And then my other channel is just gonna be Jaguar Daily, just posting like daily Jaguar content up on there. You know, trying to get that one off the ground. I don't want to just lose that one. You know, I did grow it up to 500 subscribers. No point in just letting it just, you know, even though the 500 subscribers, but that one's so low, and it's not monetized or nothing like that, and it hasn't like gained traction on any way form. Like, but this channel, you know, this one's, I already grew it to over 4,000 subscribers with JJ's Cars and Advice, so I might as well just hit it to 10,000. So and then I already got my intro. I'm gonna go get my logo just kind of just redone. You know, kind of just probably just change the car up in the background, just have them change it from the car that was just, because it's just like a regular, if y'all tell by the intro, you know, not the intro, the outro on how the logo was made. It's just like a regular black car, nothing specific or anything like that. So that's the only thing probably I'll switch is it's going to stay JJ Cars and Advice in the gold letters. I'll probably just switch the position of how my image looks, or maybe switch the image or how the image looks. So rude, bro. Like, you see, it's only one way to get on the highway, but yeah. So I'm gonna probably just do that. Probably just switch the car up in the background. I don't really have a car at the moment except the Trans Am. The Trans Am is the only car that I have currently at the moment. So I might have a picture of the Trans Am in the back of what I want it to look like, not what it looks like currently. Well, who knows? I might actually take a picture of how it looks currently and just put that behind me. And then as it slowly gets fixed up, then the image will slowly change of it slowly getting fixed up. Like, that might be a dope concept. But like I said, that's all this video is back. Letting you know we back as JJ Cars and Advice. Y'all gonna see everything as the WAS Alpha right now as today, but then everything is probably, you'll see everything back to normal, and all that stuff will be back to normal and stuff like that tomorrow. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, you know, we back. And let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in the comment section below on what state that I need to work on dealer's license, and I'll get that worked on for y'all. And we out. Peace.